Got some more stuff to throw on the car. The panels came in, so this is for the feet panels, so that way it's all nice and flat surface. And then a little center console control panel type deal. I just got really tired of having my wires hanging all the way around, and I didn't want a full center console build. So we're just gonna go with that. That should become pretty clean. And then the thing I'm actually probably the most excited about is the wire tape came in, so we're gonna be able to go through and clean all the wiring up in here. Yeah, so we're gonna start with getting everything back out of the car again, and then we'll get to wiring. See you in a little bit. Driver. Get on your nerves again. That way we can get that center console panel in. So it's just going to be, most of today actually is going to be just cutting wires, cleaning them up, and then using that tape over there. That way we can just make everything super nice and clean. That way if we ever have to get back into it, it just makes life a lot easier and it makes it look better. So that's where we're going to start. I figured I'd show you where we're at now. This, what is this, wire tape? Or what, I mean, what do you call this?
Automotive tape.
Yeah, automotive wire tape is freaking amazing. It cleans it up so nice. But I'll do another little clip once we get the panel actually put up in there. We got the floor pans in, we got the center console panel in, we got all the wiring cleaned up. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna vacuum the seats, finish cleaning this up, and then we're gonna go for a ride. So excited that this is done. That dead pedal was a pain in the ass, but we got it done. What do you think, Jake? Hell yeah. Alright, that's it for today. I'll go on a quick little ride and then I'll do a send off for you guys, but all in all, it was a lot of work, but it was well worth it. Everything looks really good. Came out clean. Super happy with those panels, and that cleaning that wiring up, I mean, it's just huge. It's one of those things that, you know, it cost me maybe $8 but and some time, but it just really made a huge difference. So highly suggest it if you're gonna get your car out. Hot boy status. What you got?
I don't know if this will do it.
What do you mean?
Might need some skizzers.
I guess. Only have skizzers inside. Oh, the first guy. found the world's most effective cleaning tool in the form of trashy adhesive. This stupid little thing works so amazingly well on smudges and everything, really. I was just using it to hold the GoPro down, so it's an everything tool now. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here today. If you like what you see, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next weekend in another one.